In today's video, I'll teach you how to stop announcing your birthday on Facebook. So first of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. Now tap on this option, settings. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for audience and visibility. Simply tap on this option, profile details, that you can see at first. Now after you do that, you'll be able to edit your profile information. So what you have to do is find this section for personal details. Over here, you'll be able to see your birthday. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you want Facebook to stop announcing your birthday, what you have to do is set it to only me. So what you have to do is tap on the option that is selected right now. Now tap on this option, only me, that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option done. Likewise, repeat the same for the year 2. Tap on the option that is selected right now. Now tap on this option, only me, and tap on this option done. Now once you do that, tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, your birthday will be private. That means now people will not be able to see your birthday and Facebook will also not announce it. So that is how you stop announcing your birthday on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.